Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the Atlas Reward Credit Card mobile app. Alright, it's gonna be a really quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one at all. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to use the Atlas Reward Credit Card mobile app. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to download the Atlas Reward Credit Card mobile app from the App Store. That's for iOS devices, or you can go to the Google Play Store for Android devices. You're going to search for Atlas Reward Credit Card mobile app, and then once you find it, just install it on your device. And once it's installed, just go ahead and open it, and then you can log into the app using your username and your password. Assuming of course that you already have an account, but if you don't, you can just go ahead and open one. But assuming you do, so once you've logged into your account, there you can review your credit card account information, including balance, transactions, and statements. You can also use the app to make payments. You can use it to transfer balances, as well as to set up account alerts. You can always review and customize the app settings, such as notification preferences, as well as security settings, and just use the app to manage your credit card accounts on the go. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Atlas Reward Credit Card mobile app. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next